welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about escape sequence in C++. So escape sequence is a combination of characters which have a special meaning. So let's see with an example. Here suppose you want to print hey in one line and how are you in one line. Means separate lines. So if you are using this method using two cout and L, so totally it's a waste of time. Here you are getting the output in two lines, but using escape sequence /n you can use only one cout and you will get into separate lines by using /n. So now you will get hey in one line and how are you in next line. So /n means new line. It will print the text a string in next line. Likewise, there is another escape sequence, that is \b. What it will do, it will omit one space between hey and how. So let's see an output. So you can see it had removed the space between hey and how, which means one space from with the cursor. Now if you will see /b, what it will do, \b, it will remove the y character from here. So you can see here. So this is the meaning of /b. So escape sequence, if it got mixed with your words or text, it will show its special meaning or default meaning. Like suppose you are writing you are very nice, and if by mistake you have written yes \, what it will do, it will print nice in next line. See, not nice, because of course, because /n means new line and it will print the next ICE. So few more escape sequence, like if you want to print \ in your string, \ like this, \. So what it will show? In the output you're not getting \. So to print \, the escape sequence is double \. So now it will print one \. See. So let's check another one. To print double quote, like here you want to print ice inside double quote. Okay, now what it will do, it will give you a error, because when you are using this inside double quotes, it means one string, one series of string, and compiler is not understanding, because one pair is here and where is the another pair, so it won't in the pair. So if you give one double quote here, still it will show one error. unable to find string literal operator. So to print double quote, you have to use escape sequence as backslash double quote. So now no error, and you will get the output here double quote. Likewise, if you will use backslash single quote, you will get single quote in the output here. Likewise, there is one more, that is slash t. Slash t means horizontal tab. That means it will give space between R and vary. You can see it, right? Now let's see one more escape sequence, that is slash 0. It is terminator, which means compiler is not going to read the strings after this escape sequence. So the compiler will not print a very nice you can see here in the output UR. So slash 0 means terminator for the line. So terminator, before it was semicolon, but if you are using escape sequence backslash 0, that means compiler will terminate here only. Hope you like the video. Hope it had helped you to clear the concept of escape sequence. We'll see you in next video. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.